speakers don't just know their topic inside and out, but they also know how to master their space and being able to control that space, being able to connect with their audience and to have the confidence to really own what they're doing, what they're saying, and how they're doing it. Without a doubt, if you don't feel confident, then you won't actually look confident on stage. And when I work with clients, one of the things we do is work on ways for them to get to feel confident. I don't believe in faking it till you make it, but I do believe in feeling it till you make it. And when you can master that skill, you can actually master the stage and master your delivery. I'm Janeen Vosper. My business is Speech Perfect. And one of the things that I love working with clients is to get them to feel confident that they could master any stage that they're on, or whether they're on camera.